Two of blue sky, but overall mostly cloudy. Temperatures right now in the 50s downtown, 52 Cleveland Hopkins. We have a wind out of the north around 10 miles an hour, which means it's going to feel even crisper by the lake shore. It's one of those days where that air will feel a little bit cooler coming in off the lake. Eventually we'll see a little bit of sunshine though. Temperatures will be again on the cooler side of things, near 60. Looking ahead, we'll be tracking some showers later tomorrow, and then that's going to be the start of that unsettled pattern. Clouds and radar right now, nothing in the radar department, just the cloud cover sticking around hour by hour as we head through the day today. Again, we're going to be cooler. Definitely we'll see a little bit more sunshine by the lake too. Maybe one of those days where we get a little bit of a lake shadow going. By this afternoon, again, winds out of the north around 10 to 12 miles an hour. It'll be feeling a little chillier closer to Lake Erie here too. By late this afternoon, notice we're in the mid 50s along the lake shore, closer to 60, a little bit further inland from Medina, Akron, Worcester, Canton down to Dover. So overall heading out on the lake today, if you're getting your boat geared up before the holiday weekend here, it's going to be a little choppy, especially when we get a north wind around 5 to 15 knots. That's when things can change quickly, especially when the lake breeze kicks in. Waves will be around 1 to 2 feet. Could see, a little bit higher as we head into the afternoon. It's also National Boating Safety Week. We're going to talk more about what all the warnings and watches mean for Lake Erie coming up on First Alert Focus tonight at 7:30. But coming up here in just a few minutes, we're going to talk more about that rainy, cooler pattern. I'm going to track when the rain arrives to your neighborhood hour by hour. Rain and precipitation. No rain coming down today. We'll eventually see a little bit more sunshine, but it's just the start of a cooler trend. Tomorrow, rain starts to move in second half of the day. Highs will be in the 60s, and then we do it all again. Highs around 60s. Rain chances linger through the middle and end of the week. So seeing a couple breaks in the clouds to the east of Cleveland right now. We will gradually have some clearing as we head through the afternoon. I want to zoom out and turn on the temperature tracker because we've got cooler air in place, and then we've got this system that's sitting to our west right now. It's going to bring in a front, but it's really not going to bring any warmth or moisture. I mean, it'll bring moisture in terms of rain, but I'm talking about humidity and things like that. I won't be making its way here this week. So hour by hour this afternoon through 6 o'clock through dinner time, you can see the clouds clearing out. Temperatures are going to drop because there's not too many clouds around. Wake up temps tomorrow. Man, I just put away my winter coat last week too. We've got 40s out there, some low 40s in Warren. So it'll be a cold start tomorrow. Watch the clouds build back in, and then by late afternoon, the rain starts to move in. A couple isolated showers. Then by the evening, we've got a couple showers on and off, making way for a soggy start to your Wednesday, depending on how early you wake up. So through the early morning hours, we'll have some lingering showers, maybe an isolated one or two during the morning drive, and then more on and off rain as we head through your Wednesday and your Thursday. So it is just going to be staying soggy on and off consistently through Thursday. So this is your Thursday forecast here. Again, more scattered showers as we head through the morning and afternoon on Thursday. So it is staying pretty unsettled through the middle part of the week, and then we do bring back the chance for a couple of storms too, with temperatures dipping into the 50s by the end of the work week here. Overnight temps are going to be on the cooler side again, especially tonight. We'll have some 50s because of cloud cover the next couple nights, and then dipping back into the 40s. Good news is though, let's talk about the weekend Memorial Day forecast here, because as we head into the weekend, yes, we're trending cool, but we are trending dry. Is 61 a little bit too cool to get in the pool? You be the judge, I guess, if your pool is heated, but it'll at least be dry. 60s on Sunday too. Any events happening, Memorial Day parades, none of those things will have to be canceled. Heading into Monday, we'll be slowly a little bit warmer, tracking back into the mid 60s, but definitely trending a lot cooler than we were compared to last week. We'll break down the Memorial Day weekend forecast a little bit more coming up here in the next 10 minutes.